Hi guys, in today's recipe I'm sharing with you all my version for a bhaji rice with smoked turkey. So if you'd like to see how to make this delicious and amazing dish, keep watching. Okay guys, so to start this recipe in a heavy bottom pot, I'm going to go in with some garlic infused coconut oil from CGA Limited. To that oil, I'm going to go in with chopped onions. Chopped pimento pepper goes in next. Some chopped colored bell peppers. And we're going to lightly season with some salt. I'll give this a mix and allow it to sweat until those aromatics are tender. Okay, once that is tender, go in with some minced garlic. And I like adding in the garlic after, and that way it ensures that the garlic doesn't burn. So we're going to allow this to saute until the garlic is tender now. Into my pot goes in some chopped pumpkin or squash and some grated carrots. The pumpkin, you'll notice it's cut coarse, it's really chunky. That's okay, it's going to melt down during this process, so you don't have to worry about cutting that too small. Give that a mix. Now I'm going to go in with my parboiled washed rice and give that a mix. I want the rice to start frying up in here for a little bit before we add any other ingredients. Okay, once the rice starts to stick to the bottom of the pot, we're going to go in with our coconut milk. Next goes in my chopped spinach, and I'm using spinach for this because I didn't get any dashing bush bhaji. Spinach works really great in this recipe, guys, and you'll notice I'm putting a lot. It's going to wilt down and you're really not going to notice that it has this much in it. And if you guys wanted to put a few pieces of okra in here also, you can do that. So I'm going to allow this to come up to a simmer before we add in our smoked turkey. And this is what the smoked turkey looks like. I went ahead and I chopped it ahead of time, so prepare it the way that you would like. This is pre-bought smoked turkey, and that's what we're going to be using. It has a salty element in it, so it's going to substitute for that salted pigtail in this recipe. Okay, once your mixture has come up to a simmer, go in with your salted meat. And if you're using pigtails, you want to make sure and boil it ahead of time and have it prepared. This goes in here. The salted meat is going to add more flavor to this dish. I'm just going to go in with some chopped chive and celery that I had in my freezer. It holds up really well and it lasts really long when you do it like this. I did a video on this. I'm going to mix that in. I'm not going to add any more liquid to this pot. If you do need liquid and the rice is still hard, you can add some. So I'll test it like in about 15 minutes and then I'll know if I need more liquid in here. But we're going to cover this on a medium-low heat and let it cook until the rice is tender. Okay, let's check on this. It's been 15 minutes. You want to make sure it's not sticking to the bottom of the pot also. Okay, so the rice grains look like they're getting plump. I'm going to leave it uncovered and I'm going to allow it to continue to cook. You can start mashing down on the pieces of pumpkin at this time. So this has like about 12 more minutes again and then this should be done. Okay, so I tasted it and it does need some salt, but I'm not going to add salt. I'm actually going to add some of this goya adobo seasoning. I love adding this. It just adds much more flavor. The combination of spices in there is really amazing. So if you've never tried that goya seasoning, you have to try it. So that's it. You just mix that in. Make sure it's to where you want it to be. Taste it and adjust it accordingly, and then this is ready to be served. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for bhaji rice with smoked turkey. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. It was so easy to put together and it is very tasty. So if you guys make this, comment and let me know down below. I also have a pigtail version which I will link as an end card. So look to the end of this video, you'll see it pop up right here on your screen on the right hand side. Thank you guys so much for joining me in the kitchen today. Please stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.